Hello, everyone. A warm welcome to all of you on the Special Needs Children podcast. I get approached by a lot of parents who have met a doctor and come home, and even a lot of older children who, they try to reach out to say, how have you been doing it? What all is going to happen in life? We've just received a diagnosis. We want to do so many things. Which are the therapy places that we need to go to, etc., etc. As part of Forum for Autism, we as a parent support group have always been on call 24 by 7 for parents to uh, help figure what needs to be done and how we can cut the time and the chase so that parents can get whatever answers to the questions, the best answers possible to their questions. As part of this series of podcasts that I've been doing, I thought if we could, try and address some of the issues through our own son's journey. Okay, that's why I requested my husband also to join me on the podcast, and we thought we would do something about fun facts that we've had with Shravan, and try to explain some of the things that we've done with him, and if it is beneficial to you in any way, we would be extremely thrilled by that and felt that we've been helpful to you. So please meet my husband Ravi Iyer. Ravi, if you could introduce yourself, please.
So, hi, I've been a filmmaker for the last 18 to 20 years. I've been Shravan's father for the last 37 years. No, 27 years. Yes, 27 years. And in the past, I've been a radio host, I've been an advertising person, a lot of things. But most importantly, Shravan has brought a sort of focus in my life. I am a person who's very unfocused. Chitra is a more focused person. हम दोनों में मैं ऐसे कई चीज़ों में कई बार यहाँ वहाँ घूमते रहता हूँ। एक लेखक होने के कारण मेरा दिमाग भी यहाँ वहाँ बहुत घूमता रहता है। पर एक चीज़ श्रवण की वजह से मुझे मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत मज़ा आता है। उसे भी खाने का बड़ा शौक़ है, मुझे भी खाने का बड़ा शौक़ है, उसे घूमने का बड़ा शौक़ है, मुझे घूमने का बड़ा शौक़ है। तो मेरे जो जितने भी हॉबीज़ कह लें या जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद है, मैं उसके बहाने सब कुछ कर लेता हूँ।
तो आज रवि हम लोग स्पेसिफिकली हम लोग ये स्प्लिट करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो इफ यू ऑल लाइक इट प्लीज डू लेट अस नो सो इवन वी फील एनकरेज टू शेयर मोर. टुडे वी वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट व्हील्स, हिज लव फॉर व्हील्स. कुछ भी कोई भी तरह का मूवमेंट जो है since a child, when he was in 6 months old, up to 6 months to a year and a half, श्रवण को एपिलेप्सी काफ़ी बुरी तरह से था. एंड to get him to sleep because he used to cry so bitterly that we never knew how to get him settled, and we used to take him for a ride in the middle of the night. I learned to drive a car when I was pregnant, and people used to wonder, are you really, why are you doing this? But we both strongly felt that I need to be independent so that I can rush Shravan to anywhere I need to go to, or I need to reach a particular place. And we strongly believe that both parents need to have some sort of a vehicle, whether वो बाइक रहने दो, साइकिल रहने दो, गाड़ी रहने दो, whatever it is that we should go.
खास करके इनफैक्ट आई थिंक मदर्स को गाड़ी चलाने को सीखना चाहिए, खास करके आप अगर बच्चा होने वाला हो तो, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे जितनी आपको फ्रीडम मिलती है आपको वरना कभी, क्योंकि सेफ्टी है गाड़ी में. आप बच्चे को जब लेके जाते हो, बाइक पे उतनी सेफ्टी नहीं रहती. हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि बाइक पे हम लोग बहुत जल्दी कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, पार्क कर सकते हैं. श्रवण के साथ मैंने काफ़ी हद तक बाइक पे भी बहुत समय बिताया है. उसको दुपट्टे से बांध के लेके जाता था मैं. और कई बार तो
कम बैक टू व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड, हम लोग रात भर भी हम लोग आधा
कई बार
1 घंटे तक रवि गाड़ी चलाते थे और हम
घूमने जाते थे. तभी
घूमते रहते थे जब तक श्रवण को वो थोड़ा अच्छा वो जो मूवमेंट है वो रेगुलेट होता था और वो सो जाता था, और हम भी थके मारे वापस आते थे. तो ये जब छोटे एज से जब श्रवण एक व्हीलचेयर में हमको उसको कहीं भी ले जाना पड़ता था, तो आई हैड टू टेक हिम अराउंड इन अ व्हीलचेयर. We used to keep the wheelchair in the dicky always, carry Shravan down.
And in fact, I think it was more a pram than a wheelchair.
It was a pram actually.
It was
not
a
even
large
a wheelchair.
pram.
So it was a very, when he was, I'm talking about say 6 months,
6 months, 1
year,
year.
and when we used to carry him, and
Yeah.
then we moved on to
In
keeping him
fact,
in the pram.
श्रवण के पहले डे केयर सेंटर में उसको हमने व्हीलचेयर को एक चैरियट बनाया था, याद है?
हाँ,
और
for the
क्रिसमस के लिए
Christmas.
उसे सांता क्लॉज बनाया था, और वो
हाँ,
सांता क्लॉज उस व्हीलचेयर में बैठ के, मेरे एक दोस्त जो आर्ट डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने रेनडियर बनाए थे
पूरा
थर्मोकॉल के
रेंडियर
आगे,
बनाया था.
और वो व्हीलचेयर पे बैठ के वो एंट्री मारी थी उसने वहाँ पे.
Yeah,
सो हालांकि श्रवण पहले से ही बात नहीं करता था, वो अपनी नज़रों से बहुत कुछ समझाया करता था हम लोगों को और बाकी लोगों को,
yeah.
और वो हमेशा खुश मिजाज था,
हाँ.
कभी वो ज़्यादा रोता नहीं था. तो उसे कोई भी देखे तो अच्छा ही लगता था उनको कि अरे ये तो बड़ा खुश बच्चा है.
हाँ, तो जब हम कमिंग बैक टू कि प्रैम लेकर जो डे केयर के लिए हम जाते थे, where I used to go is to keep the pram in the dicky, take him down, keep him, remove the pram, open the dicky, remove the pram, and then seat him in the pram, shut the dicky, and then we used to go in the pram, take him around the pram, and Shivaji Park के कितने चक्कर काटे रहेंगे, and he used to love it to look around. He used to feel like as if he's going around in his own vehicle, even when he was that small and he couldn't say anything, and we knew that he was in a lot of pain that time, till it came after a long time when actually the seizures came under control about the age of 1.5.
Yeah.
That because of a particular medicine that we got to give him, that the seizures came under control. Our first trip that I remember with Shravan, therefore, was outstation, because we used to keep going around in the car everywhere. We used to, even the movement, gentle, going to a garden used to be something that we used to love.
Correct.
So garden mein we have had such experiences right from when the
Good and
therapist,
bad.
yeah, therapist used to say, "Aap बैठो swing में and keep Shravan in your lap
Yeah.
and swing." And we've had nasty comments from people saying, "You cannot sit on the swing. You have to make the child sit. ये बच्चों के लिए है." And we used to try telling them that, लेकिन वो अकेले बैठ नहीं पाएगा.
आई
You used
रिमेंबर
to
एक
swing.
जगह मेरी बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो गया था मेरा एक दूसरे माँ के साथ, जिसने कहा कि चित्रा कैसे बैठी है उस बच्चे के साथ, हालांकि यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि ये खाली बच्चों के लिए है. तो अभी उसको मेरे में वो पेशेंस ही नहीं रहा उसको समझाने के लिए कि वो बच्चा स्पेशल नीड्स चाइल्ड है. और इसके ठीक उल्टे हमारे थेरेपिस्ट में से सैफ कई बार बोलते थे कि दुबई में रात रात भर गार्डन्स खुले रहते हैं,
Yes,
और एडल्ट्स भी बैठ सकते हैं उसमें, कोई
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं बोलता.
correct.
तो मुझे लगता है अपने यहाँ ना सबसे पहले तो लोगों की सोच जो है वो बहुत ऐसे चलती है कि आप किसी बच्चे को देखते हो तो सबसे पहले लोग पूछते हैं इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. हम लोग ये ना पूछ के ये क्यों नहीं देखते कि वो बच्चा जो है वो कितना खुश है, वो क्या कर रहा है. उसको कोई अगर एक स्पेशल नीड्स चाइल्ड को कहीं माँ बाप कहीं लेके आ रहे हैं तो वो भी अपना जितना कुछ जूझ के वहाँ वो लेके आ रहे हैं दिन में, उनको क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ता.
Correct.
और हम लोग वही चीज़ जब भी हम लोग बाहर गए, व्हेन वी वेंट अब्रॉड, किसी भी फॉरेन कंट्री में हम लोग श्रवण को जहाँ भी लेके गए वो लोग दे विल से ब्लेस यू. वो लोग ये कभी नहीं पूछते. इनफैक्ट जब पहली बार याद है हम लोग जब वीज़ा के लाइन में भी खड़े थे श्रवण को प्रैम में लेके, या शायद तभी वो प्रैम में भी नहीं था, लेकिन वहाँ पे वो लोग 2 मिनट में देख के ये पूछते हैं, सर प्लीज़ कम अहेड एंड गो टू काउंटर नंबर सो एंड सो, और मैडम प्लीज़ कम टू, प्रायोरिटी दे देते हैं. और वो कभी ये नहीं पूछते कि इस बच्चे में क्या खामी है या आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है ये लोगों के दिमाग से जाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से.
Absolutely. So, we have these instances of every family who has a disabled child. They have this fear of, when I go out, how will I handle these questions?
सोशल
These stares, हमको लोग देखते रहते हैं, ताकते रहते हैं, and people stare at the children. They stare so badly that the parent really feels very bad. So how do you get over this? I request parents that you can look back and you can talk to these people. If it hurts you a lot, then you should confront it and you should say. We have even gone around with pamphlets, where we have educated people in Hindi, Marathi, English about ये क्या है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, what is specific here, and talk, keep talking. It's an altogether different person, and you don't know from their expression whether that person is really staring for the heck of it or they're trying to understand, because people's expressions you can't make out, whether that person seriously is always looks like that, or has got a specific expression when they're staring at you. But always when we go ahead and talk to them calmly and try to explain. So very recently also at an airport we had somebody who said, you are to faking it, your son can walk, you're still taking a wheelchair. So these circumstances, you know, upset you a lot, and you land up becoming very agitated, and you might land up, you know, even answering, you know, back answering, being rude, etc. But we as a as most families that I've seen, one is the fear aspect of how will I deal
and
with
the
people,
embarrassment
the
aspect
embarrassment also, and
कि कोई क्या कहेगा. कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि ऑल्सो मेरे को क्या लगता है ना, हम लोग चित्रा वी वर वेरी वेरी ब्लेस्ड कि आपके पेरेंट्स, मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरे पेरेंट्स मतलब मेरी मॉम और मेरी बहनें और अपने इर्द गिर्द के जितने दोस्त हैं, ये सारे बहुत सपोर्टिव हैं.
करेक्ट.
कुछ फैमिलीज में फैमिली मेंबर्स ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव नहीं रहते,
So many instances where the husband doesn't support the
yeah,
wife,
which is really sad.
or the wife doesn't support the husband.
Correct.
There have been, we know that there are maximum divorces in the case of disabled,
Yeah.
you know, families with disabled kids, and even an elderly person accepting, the parent, the grandparents accepting and saying that, you know, there is an issue and you need to put in time and effort. We know day in and day out that, you know, people have varied kind of support, or actually it is negative where there is no support at all, and either the father or the mother or the couple has to deal with so much in the family itself. When they are stepping out of their house with the child, they already have so much happening in their mind regarding what's happening in their home, and then when they go out, and if the society is not able to support them or, you know, stand by them, it becomes so challenging that people very often, I see, they don't want to step out only. But who loses in this bargain? It's the child, no? Because the parents will be going out for whatever they have to do, whether they have to go to work or they have to do even grocery shopping or they have to go to the temple. ये adults address कर लेते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे का क्या?
इनफैक्ट हमारे केस में श्रवण इतना खुश मिजाज इसलिए भी है कि उसको हम लोग ने बहुत बाहर ले जा चुके हैं हम लोग, और जितनी जगह हम लोग लेके जाते हैं वो उतना ही खुश होता है. वो हर जगह एक नई जगह देखना चाहता है.
Yeah.
और because he's of a smiling nature, I've never seen, see, we don't get probably so het up about people
Staring. Yeah.
beyond a point.
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने उसको internalize कर
Yeah,
लिया है.
yeah.
अभी तो 27 साल का हो
अभी
गया.
हम भी जब भी हम we were younger also, हमको बहुत ये
दुखता था.
yeah, it used to hurt us that लोग ऐसे देख रहे हैं, ऐसे बोल रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट मेरे एक पॉडकास्ट में एक माँ ने बताया था कि हे बघा वेडाची आई जाती है, मीन्स a person who is mad, her mother is going on the street. Can you imagine how much it would have hurt her all her life? But she continued, and she said it with such a smile. Of course, it takes a while as you age, where you understand what is happening, and then you reach a level of maturity where you can deal with anything. But coming back to the wheels story about Shravan, is that moving from a pram to a car, and you know, eventually going on a bus ride. So Shravan used to love BST buses. He used to identify the red color. In fact, the therapist used to say Shravan mostly knows color red, because he used to reach out and he used to look so fascinated. And whenever we went by bus, he used to be extremely thrilled. And we've had so many bus rides. Even my father has taken Shravan on bus rides, and it used to be a very proud feeling where.
And we used to in fact drive down or go on a bike to a place where बस में
we could
चढ़ते
get into a
थे, बस पे एक चक्कर मार के लौट के आते थे, फिर बाइक पे बैठ के घर आते थे.
हाँ, and even I encourage parents that बस में एक you know end last bus stop तक जाना, क्रॉस करके वहीं से बस लेकर वापस आना. ये मैंने श्रवण के साथ बहुत बार किया है और उसको बहुत पसंद आता था. एंड उस वहाँ से वो फैसिनेशन अबाउट, यू नो, जो रवि ने बोला कि हर रोज बच्चे को कहीं बाहर लेकर जाना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड आई नो मेनी पेरेंट्स हु गो आउट फॉर ड्राइव्स लेट एट नाइट. आई नो दैट, यू नो, द चाइल्ड मे बी अग्रेसिव, द चाइल्ड मे नॉट बी एबल टू रिएक्ट, द चाइल्ड मे वांट टू रन अवे. All these are challenges that the parent is facing. But how to prepare yourself before going out is another thing that we will talk about separately. But today we want to share that whether it is a car or a bus or the first train ride that we had, where we took Shravan and we saw to it that, we took one of those, that time we used to have the first class compartment and we went to Bangalore. That was our first trip and I was so excited because we were taking him out of Bombay and he was also so thrilled. He was looking around and that time Shravan used to wear specs and for us it was that how would he react, what would he do, and how would we, handle him. But jab tak, you don't do it, you don't know what all you're going to face. So for people who feel scared, I would say that take a shorter trip. Like for example, even our first, when we decided to go by flight, we chose to go to a distance where we could go quickly and see how he was, what all we need to do, how do we need
Yeah.
to handle him,
And how can we handle a
how
flight journey?
and if someone were to say something, because we know today that there have been many instances where in flights parents have had to face a lot of challenges. The
Especially
people
if
are
the child
not
has a
trained,
Yeah, also if the child has meltdown, what will you do? Those are
Yeah.
things that you worry about. माने अगर समझो बच्चा वो हैंडल नहीं कर पाया कि हाइट माने जैसे ही फ्लाइट ऊपर चढ़ती है तो कभी कभी कान में उसको दर्द होता है तो वो बच्चा हैंडल कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा, उससे क्या होगा? तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप छोटे लेवल पे एक बार ट्राई कर लो, ट्राई आउट सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स आल्सो.
yes,
In fact, Wheels on the Bus was one of his favorite songs. So we used to keep playing that. और
Yeah.
दूसरी बात, one of the biggest trips that we ever went to on a vacation, I remember, हम दोनों डर रहे थे यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज में जो राइड्स थे उसके ऊपर, और हमें लगा कि श्रवण को कैसे मैनेज करेंगे. श्रवण एक्चुअली बड़ा खुश हो रहा था और वो हर राइड बहुत खुशी से कर रहा था. बाद में किसी ने हमें ये भी कहा कि श्रवण को हर बार ऐसे किसी राइड्स पे ले जाओ.
ज़्यादा we should expose him to more such rides where the thrill level goes up,
Yeah.
and that is helpful.
The
to
neurons
stimulate
get
his-
fired and all kinds of things.
So in occupational therapy, always whether Dr. Anjali Joshi or Saif or whoever we've been to, Chola, everyone has already said that has already helped us understand that movement is good.
Correct.
Movement regulates. So we've consciously put him on a swing. Even today, if we find a swing anywhere, we'll go and put Shravan on a swing, and he loves it. And then going on a movement that I would come and tell Ravi, now come on, we have to take him for a ride, especially our weekends. We always pre-decide that where do we have to take him, how long a distance can we take him, where can we make him walk. If we have to take him for a walk, then we identify which is a place where it would be comfortable for him to walk. So Shravan has challenges. He is autistic. He also has, a bit of cerebral palsy where his left side is affected. So we can't make him walk for too long. But at the same time, if it is a nice place where he has, wind in his hair and he's got a nice sunny day, he can walk for hours. So we have to take those relevant breaks, and then we have to prepare that how much we can walk, how much he can walk, and therefore go ahead. Similarly, even going on, say, a boat ride, that's a very thrilling thing, right? So we have explored going to right from just
But getting onto the boat is the bigger challenge.
way of
Yeah.
getting off Gateway and going onto a boat, or even abroad we've tried to take him. But yes, being
slippery,
careful of
yeah.
taking his legs onto the boat because he doesn't look down. So there are many children who wouldn't know. They would either rush in or and the parents have to hold on. So if the child is younger, as when he was younger we could hold on to him, but now he is much older and we cannot do that. He's 27. So we have to actually guide his feet. One of us is bent down and taking the foot from land onto the boat. We have
When
to
the boat is
physically
also moving.
move. Similarly, even on a train, we have to move the leg from the platform onto the train. The minute the leg is on the train, then he will put the other leg up.
But actually the train is still safer. The
It is
boat,
steady.
because the
The
boat,
boat
is
is
unsteady, it's a little difficult.
Therefore, we are very scared always.
But
where
Chitra, see, even there, whenever we've gone abroad, the bigger boats are more stable. The captain will come out to help Shravan. यहाँ पे हमें चैलेंज क्या लगता है ना, लोगों को, बाकी लोग जो जहाँ कहीं भी हैं, उनको ये समझ में नहीं आता कि वो जो चैलेंज जो है, अगर उस चैलेंज के साथ आप एक पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी को कहीं लेके जा रहे हो, तो वो जो मज़ा जो ले रहे हैं हम लोग, और बाकी लोगों को, आपको भी एक मौका है सोशली उसे सिर्फ एक्सेप्ट करने का नहीं, बट यू कैन हैव फन विद द पर्सन, बिकॉज दीज आर पीपल हु आर सो एब्सोल्युटली unconditional about their love for you, that you enjoy that as well, and it's so much more fun.
Absolutely. In fact, the point you said that every child deserves it, right?
Correct.
So what? I have heard families saying that हमको ऐसा सुनने में आता है कि इसको क्यों लेके आए? Why do you have to take him and go? आपको पता नहीं है क्या इधर? इनफैक्ट आई हैव रेड सो मेनी सच जहाँ पर न्योता आता है, so there they would say that disabled people not allowed, there are no ramps, there is a lot of crowd, disabled people don't come, no, don't come. And so we are in a society where we want to take our child out everywhere. For us, we have been blessed that our friends, which we'll cover separately, they have always invited our son first and then us. And we obviously gravitate towards such people. In a society where we want to go to, right from a movie theater to we want to say even go to a museum, all of this, how is it that a parent can wrap their mind around that, irrespective of whatever I am facing in that place, when I go there, how can I maintain my entire calm and I know how to manage my child as well as this entire environment? Parents are fantastic. They know their kids in and out, and they know exactly where to preempt whether the child is going to run away or the child is going to cry or the child is going to have a meltdown, whatever it is. And they know how to handle these emotions. But our sincere attempt via this was essentially to tell you that please go out, take shorter rides, take shorter trips. I know families who can never go on long journeys. I know families who are in the US or who are in India where they say that नहीं हम जा ही नहीं पाएंगे.
पर करना चाहिए, वो भी
but
attempt
करना चाहिए. And in a couple, sometimes we see that the parent, each parent has to go alone.
Yeah.
Right? It is so important for us to go out and travel, and it is an absolute essential must for our children also, we feel. And therefore, whether it is a shorter ride or it is a medium kind of ride or a longer ride, we want to encourage everyone to please decide what do you want to do. What do you want to do in 2026? If you can kind of write down and even reach out to us and tell us, okay, I think I'm inspired and I want to take that trip that I have always wanted to. I want to do that road trip. Can I do that? I want to do that trip by air. I want to take the car or I want to go off on a bike. Can I do that? खुद सोचिए, or you can just write back to us. We would love to take this further. The next episode, we would like to talk about how to prepare for such journeys, because we've learnt a lot over our experience of traveling with Shravan over the last 25 years, and we would love to share this with you. And I think yeah, you want to add
in closing, what I want to say is, every evening I drive down with Shravan back home. मैं उसे स्कूल से पिकअप करके घर लेके आता हूँ अपनी गाड़ी में. फैक्चुअली बोलूँ तो वो टाइम जो है मेरे लिए सबसे पीसफुल टाइम है, जब सिर्फ मैं और श्रवण गाड़ी में एक साथ रहते हैं, एंड वी जस्ट एन्जॉय दैट. देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स व्हेन आई हैव आल्सो थॉट ऑफ, चित्रा को भी बोला कि हम लोग को एक कारवान लेना चाहिए और कारवान में हम लोग सब जगह घूमने जाएंगे, जो अभी तक तो किया नहीं है. लेकिन आई एम लाइकली टू बाय अ लार्ज कार जिसमें हम लोग रात को सो भी सकते हैं उस गाड़ी में. मेरा एक दोस्त है किरण, जो अपने बेटे के साथ सब जगह घूमने जाता है उसके बड़े लंबी गाड़ी में. तो मुझे भी एक और ज़्यादा लंबी गाड़ी लेनी है, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, क्योंकि मैं इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ. श्रवण को भी गाड़ियों में घूमना पसंद है और वो कभी कभी सो भी जाता है गाड़ी में. तो हम लोगों को ऐसे कुछ करना है कि जहाँ कहीं भी हम लोग जाके, बिकॉज मोटरेबल रोड्स इंडिया में कम है लेकिन अच्छे हैं, और ज़्यादातर हमारे स्पेशल नीड्स चिल्ड्रन को उन जगहों पे अगर लेके जाना है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे ऊपर तक चढ़ के नहीं जा सकते. तो अगर समझो लेह लद्दाख जाना है, कहीं और जाना है, तो हम लोग जहाँ तक वो लास्ट मोटरेबल पॉइंट है वहाँ तक उसको लेके जाना चाहते हैं. एंड आई वुड लव टू ट्राई दैट आउट. So like Chitra said, I think even you think of put it down on your bucket list. और एक चीज़ मैं आपको बोलूँ कि हमारे बच्चों की वजह से हमारा फोकस सही रहता है. मैं जो भी आज कर रहा हूँ ज़िंदगी में वो श्रवण की वजह से कर पा रहा हूँ. और मैं अकेले ही नहीं, मेरे साथ जितने लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, हम लोग मेरे ऑफिस में भी जितने लोग हैं, चित्रा के ऑफिस में जितने लोग हैं, कई बार श्रवण हमारे ऑफिस आता है, चित्रा के ऑफिस आता है, और जब कभी आता है लोग पूछते हैं ओ क्या कर रहा है वो आजकल, और वो हर बंदे के या बंदी के चेयर पे जाके बैठेगा, कुछ देर किसी के साथ बैठ के टाइम पास करेगा. उसे कुर्सियां बहुत पसंद है, व्हीलेबल चेयर्स फॉर दैट
Again,
मैटर.
wheels. It
Again
all
wheels.
comes back to wheels.
Absolutely.
So, for us as a family, we, aim to go to every part of the world, if I may say it out there to you all. And we hope to travel with Shravan in all modes of transport as possible. And we would encourage you to do that. So, do tune in and keep listening to this podcast. Please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And do write back to us about how you like this one. Thank you.
And we are actually coming closer to Chitra's 100th podcast, which is one of the reasons why I have jumped into these podcasts, to encourage you to listen to these podcasts. If you find me boring, you can always tell me, shut up, don't talk much, vagara vagara. But do listen to these podcasts, subscribe and follow us.